Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Samsung Smart TV. Basically going to reset everything back to its initial settings as if you bought the Samsung Smart TV brand new. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to fix something if the reset button is grayed out on here as well. Anyways, first thing you want to do is go to your settings, okay? Depending on what model you have, it may be a little bit different. Anyways, on mine here, to go to settings, I can simply just click on the source button on my remote here. And then this is going to pop up down here. And then I'm going to go ahead and move to that gear icon on the bottom left. So let me go ahead and move it to the left. I'll have to go down first and then go to the left. And then there's settings right there. As you can see, I'll go ahead and click on enter. And then from here, you just want to go down to general and then go ahead and press the right arrow to go to the general side. And then from here, you want to go all the way down to reset. Okay, now the thing is, you go down to reset, and then remember, if I click on this right here, it's going to ask you for your PIN. Okay, I never changed my PIN. My default PIN is here, right on the screen, 000. And then what happens once you put the PIN in, it's going to go ahead and reset everything, and it's going to reboot your TV to be back in business. Now the thing is, some of you guys are going to have the issue where the reset is going to be grayed out, and then once you go and click on the reset, which is grayed out, it'll say something like, this option is not available. To go ahead and get out of that, what you need to do is go ahead and go back to source. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on TV. Okay, so make sure it's on TV on the right-hand side. So let me go to the right. Make sure it's on TV there. Go ahead and press on enter. Now, go ahead and go back to the settings. So go ahead and click on source again. And then I'm going to click on down, and then I'm going to go left to the settings icon right there. Go to enter, then go back down to general, and then move to the right on the remote. And now, oops, let me go back here. Okay, go all the way down, and now your reset will not be grayed out anymore, and you can go ahead and proceed with the factory reset. Don't forget, you do a factory reset, you're blowing out everything. Once you do the factory reset, you have to input your Wi-Fi password again in, your Netflix password, your Amazon Video, and you have to set up the TV as if you just bought it brand new. You have to go through the entire setup process. Anyways, I hope to help you guys out. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.